Hey, babe. How's it going? Did you sleep well?
Morning, love. Yeah, I slept great, thanks. Feels like a perfect start to the day.
Awesome. I'm so glad you feel good. Did you like the breakfast?
Yeah, it's amazing, just like old times. I loved you making it.
Those were some fun mornings, huh?
So, does that mean we're not having fun now?
What? No, of course we are. I'm super happy with you. How's the breakfast?
Mmm, perfect. The tea is great and the eggs are delicious.
Check out the table, babe. We've got some fruits too, banana and orange,
Oh, nice. They look fresh and yummy.
and some walnuts too. Thought we could add them to the breakfast.
Nice one. I love walnuts. They make it even better.
Glad you like it. Want a banana first?
Nah, not right now, thanks.
Cool. By the way, yesterday I went to the club with my friends.
Oh, really? How was it?
It was awesome. We played cards, chatted a lot, and I even bumped into Mr. Thompson. So funny.
Sounds like fun. I spent the morning cleaning the kitchen and organizing the shelves. Quite a lot of work.
Wow, you worked hard. Glad you enjoy keeping the place neat.
Yeah, and now having breakfast with you makes it all so much better.
So, have you thought about what we're doing this weekend?
Hmm, maybe a walk in the park? Or we could try that new cafe downtown.
Ooh, the one with those huge pancakes? I've been craving them.
Yes, exactly. But we should go early. It gets crowded.
Good point. And maybe after that, we can swing by the bookstore.
Oh, yes. I want to see if they got the new mystery novel series I like.
You and your books, I swear, you spend half your life reading.
Hey, reading keeps the mind sharp, mister. And I spend the other half cooking amazing breakfast like this one.
Guilty as charged. Speaking of, did you notice the fried potatoes are a bit crispier than usual?
Oh, yeah. I tried a new recipe, added a little paprika.
Ooh, spicy. I like that. And the honey with the toast, perfect balance.
Glad you like it. And look at the fruit, banana and orange. I cut them in fun shapes.
The heart-shaped banana slice. You're too cute.
Thanks. Oh, and the walnuts. Did you know they're supposed to make you smarter?
I'll eat them all then. Gotta get smarter for my friends at the club.
Speaking of, what did you guys play yesterday?
Cards mostly, but we tried a new board game. I totally crushed everyone.
I bet you did. Maybe we should play it together sometime.
Ooh, yes. And loser has to make breakfast next time.
Deal. But I warn you, I'm a fast learner.
All right, these fried eggs, perfect yolk, just like you like them.
Thank you. And the cheese? Oh, the cheddar is so good.
Yeah, I might steal a few slices before you notice.
Hey, not fair.
Just kidding. But seriously, we should take our time today. No rush.
Agreed. And maybe later we can plan a movie night.
Ooh, yes. Popcorn and cheesy rom-coms?
Of course. And maybe fried potatoes as a snack too.
Perfect. This breakfast is already a win, and the day's just started.
Yeah, every day is better with you.
Oh, and maybe after that, we can plan a small movie night.
Popcorn and cheesy romantic movies.
Of course. And some fried potatoes as a snack.
Perfect. And we can eat some fruits too.
Yes, banana, orange, and walnuts. Healthy and tasty. Today feels so relaxed. No rush at all.
Yes, and having breakfast with you makes it better.
I love mornings like this. Calm, sunny, and fun.
Exactly. And maybe we can listen to some music while eating.
Great idea. Light and happy music.
Yes, everything feels perfect.